Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study science class 5 part 1 over self unit 1 the brain and nerves. As we studied before, the page number 2 and 3 and 4 of this chapter, in which we study about the different parts of body, parts of brain and about the nerves. There is some fill in the blanks. कंसेप्ट चेक करने के लिए यूज द करेक्ट वर्ड टू कंप्लीट दी सेंटेंसेस. इट इज़ पेज नंबर 4. द नर्व्स दैट ट्रांसमिट सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम द ब्रेन टू द मसल्स and glands are called dash nerves, are called motor nerves. Here will come the word motor, right? Number 2 is the nerves that transmit signals from the sense organs to the brain are called dash nerves. It is sensory nerves. Understand students? Let's come to the page number 5. This is the page number 5 and we will study about the reflex action. What is reflex action? When you step on a pin, your foot automatically pulls away. जब भी आप किसी पिन के ऊपर पाँव रखते हैं तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली अपना पाँव खींच लेते हैं एकदम से बगैर सोचे. ठीक है. Such actions where you do not stop to think. ठीक है. Such action where you do not stop to think are known as reflex action. ठीक है. जहाँ पे आप बगैर सोचे समझे कोई भी काम एकदम से कर लेते हैं उसको कहते हैं रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ठीक है. These are controlled by the spinal cord. जो रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन है वो कंट्रोल किए जाते हैं स्पाइनल कार्ड के थ्रू. ठीक है. ये मोटर नर्व्स होती हैं जो ब्रेन से या स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से सिग्नल पहुंचाती हैं मसल्स को. ठीक है. ये सेंसरी है. सेंसरी नर्व्स उन्होंने सिग्नल दिए स्पाइनल कार्ड को. जो नर्व्स सेल्स हैं उन्होंने वापस पैगाम भेजा के पाँव हटा लिया जाए. ठीक है. द नर्व्स एंडिंग इन द सोल ऑफ योर फुट फील द पेन. जो आपका पाँव का सोल है वो पेन फील करता है. ठीक है. द मैसेज रीचेज द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. द सेंसरी नर्व्स कैरी द मैसेज टू द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एंड द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड सेंड मैसेज बैक थ्रू द मोटर नर्व्स. अंडरस्टैंड बच्चों? द मैसेज रीचेज द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. इट इंस्ट्रक्ट द मसल्स ऑफ द फुट थ्रू द मोटर नर्व्स to move away. All this is done in less than a second. This all action and reaction is done within a second. Whenever your foot touch a pin, the sensory nerves carry the message to the spinal cord and the spinal cord give message again through the motor nerves, and this whole procedure take place within a second, and we take our foot away from the pin. This all action is called reflex action. Okay. The reflex action carry within a second, less than a second. In this whole procedure, sensory nerves carry signals from organs to spinal cord, and the motor nerve carry the signal from spinal cord to the organ. This whole procedure take place with less than a second. This action and reaction is called the reflex action. Let's come to the concept check. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. First one is the cerebrum controls thinking, reasoning and reading. ठीक है. The cerebrum controls thinking, reasoning and reading. Number 2 is the cerebellum controls balance and movement. The cerebellum controls balance and movement. Number 3, the medulla controls heartbeat, breathing and digestion. The medulla controls heartbeats, breathing and digestion. Now page number 6, there are sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in our body. First one is the eye, second one is the nose, the ear, the tongue, and the skin. Understand? Today we will study about the sense organ, the eyes. The sense organs connect you to the outside world. The sense organs connect you to the outside world. जो sense organs है वो हमें बाहर की दुनिया के बारे में बताते हैं. ठीक है? We can see with our eyes. As you can see, this is the picture of internal picture of an eye. This is the cornea. This is the pupil, iris, retina, lens, optic nerves. ठीक है? This is the iris you can see in front of this picture and this pupil. Understand? This is the internal picture of the eyes. We will study about the eye first. The eyes are set in socket in the skull. The eyes are set in socket in the skull. Eyes आंखें खोपड़ी के सॉकेट के अंदर होती हैं. ठीक है? They are protected by the bones in the skull and eyelids of skin. इनकी हिफाजत की जाती है खोपड़ी की हड्डियों से और आँखों की पुतलियों की जो स्किन है उसके ज़रिए, उसके ऊपर जो जिल्द है. ठीक है? ये जो ऊपर से बॉडी नज़र आ रही है ये खोपड़ी के हिस्से का जो है ये खोपड़ी के अंदर होती हैं और इसको उसकी हड्डियाँ कंट्रोल कर रही होती हैं, प्रोटेक्ट कर रही होती हैं. द कलर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द आई इज़ द आइरस. यू कैन सी here the color part of the eye. This one is called the iris, right? There are different colors of the iris. Some one has brown, some has black, some has blue, different colors. The colored part of the eye is the iris. The pupil is a hole in the center of the iris, and this one in the middle, this one is the pupil. Understand? At the middle, and you can see here the pupil. This is the pupil which is in the middle of the eye. The pupil is a hole in the center of the iris which allows light to enter the eye. Through the pupil, the eye enters into the eye, and light enters into the eye. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye. You can see the cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that covers iris, pupil and its inner part. This is the cornea which covers iris, pupil and its other parts. The lens focuses the picture on a screen called the retina. The lens जो होता है वो पिक्चर के ऊपर फोकस करता है. वो क्या कहलाता है? जो स्क्रीन जिसके ऊपर फोकस होती है वो होता है रेटिना. The optic nerves carries the message to the brain. The optic nerve, you can see here the optic nerves. These optic nerves carry the signal towards the brain, which is behind the eyes. Understand? This was the sense organ about the eye. We can see with our eyes. There are different parts of the eyes. This one is the pupil at the middle central part of the eye, and this color part of the eye is called iris, and the outer layer is called the cornea which protect whole of these things, and this is called retina. This is the lens, and this is the optic nerves. Optic nerves carry signal towards the brain. Okay, today we will discuss about the eye. Tomorrow we will discuss about the nose and the ear. We will finish our lesson over here. Allah Hafiz.